Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Instagram for daily journaling. It's a great way to reflect, stay mindful, and build a positive habit. Let's get started. First, choose a format that suits you. Open the Instagram and then here go to the stories, and the stories is used for the quick thoughts, while the posts are for reflections, or reels is for video journals. Each day, share a journal entry like quote, photo, mood, check, or short paragraphs. Use the text tool in the stories or captions to express your thoughts, your opinions, and more. Then, if you want to keep it private, just create a closed friends list and make another second private account for your journaling. Use also a highlight to group entries like gratitude, your goals, your today's mood, and more. And don't forget the hashtags like digital journal or hashtag IG diary if you want to connect with others doing the same. And that's how you start your daily journaling on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more creative and mindful content. Thanks for watching.